This is really insane. The price of Shiba Inu will be significantly impacted by Elon Musk's recent long-awaited and completely insane revelation. Now for the most bizarre aspect. Coinbase has also just disclosed an unusual development. There are potentially trillions of Shiba Inu at risk. Many are wondering if there is a connection between the two and if this heralds a significant event. Why is this taking place? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Allow me to clarify. A major announcement was made earlier today. The whole Shiba Inu community was just rocked by Elon Musk. Concerning cryptocurrency, he made a strong claim. More than just a fleeting tweet, this one sticks around for a while. This one is unique. The entire crypto sector is already feeling the effects of its massive size. As one might expect, Shiba Inu is smack dab in the thick of everything. However, hold on a second. A far larger development is emerging now, and the hub of it is Coinbase. The rapid and unprecedented number of discussion about Shiba Inu tokens in the trillions is mind-boggling. There is no chance that this will happen by chance. It seems like a huge thing is about to happen. Something is definitely in the works, whether it's institutional interest, a change in wallet activity, or a huge reveal soon. The question you may be asking is whether or not all this hubbub is really visible in the numbers. How is the Shiba Inu doing? Well, an analyst has just dissected it. And to be honest, what he's witnessing might be the beginning of something spectacular. He claims the Shiba Inu has finally reversed its declining tendency. No longer will it remain mired in that frustrating lull. It has managed to break free and is currently cautiously re-evaluating its breakout zone. It's an excellent thing. Something is different about it now. To me, it seems like a major change is about to start. Speaking of major changes, the Shiba Inu horoscope is reflecting one such event at the moment. The market is deciding what happens next. And it's not a little jiggle. Returning to the fray, one of the most consequential pricing zones of the past few months is quickly becoming a key arena for conflict. Shiba Inu is presently situated inside a very significant range. More than 170,000 wallets are hoarding over 500 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in this price range. The concentration of that many tokens in one place is staggering. Traders have always come here to buy, sell, pause, and leap in. Not only is it a level on the chart, but it is also a psychological battleground, a massive support and resistance arena, and a liquidity magnet. Also, what's going on at the moment? Shiba Inu is twirling delicately beneath an important fashion line. It previously broke above it, but now it's being pulled back beneath. It's as if it's getting ready to make a major choice. Both the price movement and several major technical indicators are showing signs of tightness. Here is when on-chain data comes into play and completely transforms things. The enormous cluster containing more than 500 trillion Shiba Inus isn't merely ornamental. A barrier it is. Something solid. A massive barrier. This zone appears to be highly sought after. A large number of individuals, including genuine holders, have previously relocated here. Even now, a large number of them are going strong. That goes beyond mere assistance. That is dedication. That being said, things may appear unpredictable in the near future. One strong spark can send a Shiba Inu flying in this kind of situation. When pressure and energy build up in such a loaded zone, it feels like the quiet before the storm. If buyers enter, this zone has the potential to become the springboard for something much larger than anyone anticipates, and everyone is waiting to see what happens next. But even the most well-connected crypto experts didn't see this coming. Elon Musk, the renowned billionaire and public face of Tesla and SpaceX, revealed XChat, a new chat tool for the X platform, on Sunday, June 1st. This was just the latest surprise from the world-renowned tycoon. To top it all off, this isn't your average software upgrade. No, the construction of this item is unique. Musk claims that XChat has what he calls Bitcoin-style encryption, and was built from the bottom up, using the extremely fast and secure computer language Rust. Hidden beneath its surface is an entirely new architecture. Plus, it eliminates the requirement for a phone number altogether, letting users make audio and video chats on any platform. Seriously, that is massive. Rewriting the rules of private online conversation is essentially what it is. Things start to become intriguing now. Tech wasn't the only reason this post went viral. It caused the famous Bitcoin historian and journalist Pete Rizzo to respond. An important detail was brought to his attention. If Musk's timetable is to be believed, he hasn't brought up Bitcoin in over 3 years. That's quite significant. The previous time Elon was in the news for his Bitcoin venture, Tesla invested $1.5 billion. Why was that? Quickly, Bitcoin's value increased by 50%. Because the market always follows Musk's moves. Rizzo warned investors to brace themselves. Some in the cryptocurrency community have already pointed out that Elon has made passing references to Bitcoin in interviews and podcasts. Yes, I'm sure he has. However, this is unique. Such discourse is not amicable. Elon Musk is integrating a worldwide communications infrastructure with Bitcoin-style encryption. Things like these pertain to the infrastructure. The interest of the large money is piqued by that. Now we may discuss the significance of this for Shiba Inu. You can't deny Musk's legendary impact on the cryptocurrency market. The price of cryptocurrency changes the second he mentions it. Are you familiar with what happened before? The Shiba Inu would lose control after seeing just one meme or tweet. This time, though, it seems more substantial. His statements go beyond mere memes. They encompass platform development, system creation, and subtle allusions to the eventual mainstreaming of crypto ideas and technology. Let me tell you something. It is unusual for Bitcoin to increase all by itself. The thrill, the reward, the rate of change. It overflows. There are alternative cryptocurrencies. When sentiment turns bullish, Shiba Inu, one of the game's most popular tokens, frequently takes the lead among altcoins. Shiba Inu might get rich quick if this Musk moment causes Bitcoin to explode. Suddenly, rather than gradually. The spark we're discussing is not something that happens very frequently. Attention is drawn to Musk, focus increases loudness, and change in volume causes changes in price. You better fasten your seatbelts, because Shiba Inu might end up becoming one of the greatest winners in the entire field if Musk keeps directing attention towards crypto infrastructure and the momentum keeps building. But there's something strange happening at the moment. It doesn't make sense at first look, but it may be an indication of something much larger taking place in the background. A huge Shiba Inu relocation just happened. Precisely 2.86 trillion tokens. There was no typo. Everything worth about $36 million, or about 3 trillion Shiba Inus, has been transferred to Coinbase Institutional. Let me tell you, this isn't your average business deal. We haven't witnessed a single Shiba Inu motion of this magnitude in weeks. The origin of the transfer, rather than its magnitude, was what caught everyone unawares. The transfer of tokens from a wallet that had never been associated with any big exchange before was detected by blockchain trackers. Neither Binance nor Coinbase, zero. A wallet known as Shiba Inu snuck onto Coinbase's institutional platform with an unexpected burst of roughly $40 million. It had been operating quietly and beneath the radar. The analytics dashboards went into a frenzy as warning lights went out. The Shiba population was disproportionately represented in this wallet. It also didn't suddenly dump everything. It wasn't a complete departure because it still has more than 30 billion Shiba Inu. Rather than an impulsive decision, this appears to be a partial liquidation, or perhaps an element of a larger strategy. We have a new feature that is connected to crypto-level security, and is backed by Musk. Behind the scenes there's a huge Shiba Inu volume being relocated, and whales are acting like they're getting ready for something. At this point it is only guesswork, but it is intelligent speculation. If this isn't just a coincidence, and a fresh wave of integration or acceptance is about to hit, then Shiba Inus could be about to have another major breakout. And the current evidence suggests that, well, the odds are looking up in an exciting way. However, how do you feel about this? Submit your thoughts in the space provided.